Hello, Sakafete. Hi, guys. I'm Roma, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to make one of my favorite salads. It's a chickpea salad. So, if you want to see how I do this recipe, guys, keep watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Now, let's get going. It's very easy to make salad, very simple ingredients, but it's packed with flavor and it's very good for you. These are all the ingredients that I will be using in my chickpea salad. First thing is our chickpeas. Now my chickpeas, I did soak it overnight. I used the dry chickpeas in cold water and then I cooked it for about 45 minutes to an hour and rinsed it out. Now you can use the canned chickpeas, but I prefer this one. I'm going to add all these in there and just pour them all in. See how pretty that is? So we're just going to mix it all up. Get everything in there. Look how colorful that is, eh? It smells so good. The onion and the pepper. I also wanted to tell you guys about our new channel, Sakafete Nature and Travel. We love nature and we love to travel. So we combine the two together. That's what it's all about. Check it out, guys. And if you like what you see, subscribe. You can find the link to the channel in the description box. That's first step. Now I'm going to put this aside and I'm going to make my vinaigrette. And I'm going to use the whole lemon. So I'm going to use some extra virgin olive oil. And I'm going to use about, about a quarter of a cup. So you just want to put a nice, good extra virgin olive oil. And then we're going to squeeze our lemon. And this one, the longer you leave it in the fridge, or the better it tastes. Like if I leave it till tomorrow, it'll be so good. But after about 2-3 hours, you can go ahead and that would be fine. So now I'm just going to add this lemon juice to my oil. I'm going to add like a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of the Italian seasoning. I have some Mediterranean seasoning. So I have some peppers and oregano. It's a mix of seasoning. And I'm going to put a little bit of garlic powder, not too much, just a bit. And some black pepper, half a teaspoon. And now I'm just going to whisk it all together. I'm going to taste it and see if the salt is enough. Yeah, oh, that's good. And next thing I'm going to do is just pour that into my chickpeas mixed. So that's it. Get it all in there. And now I'm just going to mix that all together. And guys, this is so healthy for you. Like me, I'm starting the new year watching my diet. That's going to go in the refrigerator. It's going to be marinating for a few hours, couple hours. And here it is, guys, our delicious and healthy chickpea salad. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have yourselves a great day and God bless.